Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is September the 6th and I'm using my new Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator. Now I decided to focus on these instruments, futures as you can see down here, as they move the most and they pay the most. And if that's what you're interested in, getting the most out of each and every trading day, well, Forex is good, but these are much better. Now the Easy Trader system here is exactly the same as the MACD Trader system, and the MACD Trader system is where all the training videos are. Now the opening bell for these are 9:30 and I took these before 9:30 as you can see, and one of them was a little bit earlier. So trading these, you don't have to get up as early in the morning. Get in front of the computer by 9 o'clock and then pull up the daily trade plan, expert advisor. And as you can see, this I took a snapshot of the expert advisor, the daily trade plan, and we have a lot of red here. The DAX took just a little bit longer the next 30 minutes after that. The 30 minutes turned red, and then it started lining up with the monthly and the weekly, and it also turned red, and that is one of the reasons I knew that it was going to go in my favor. Now remember, if you wish to succeed at trading, you have to have a daily trade plan such as this one. Now this is moving in real time, and it can easily change over a course of a few hours. It can go from bearish to bullish. So in other words, you just pull this up. So it's very important that you have some kind of a daily trade plan. This usually takes me from 30 minutes up to about 45 minutes to put together manually. But now I load this up in the charts and it takes about 10 seconds to load. And what I love about it is you can pull this up any time of the day, any session, and it's giving you these kind of results whether you should be buying and or selling. Remember, you still have to follow the rules within the MACD system, or whatever system you have, just follow those rules. So I took all of these trades in real time as the market was moving. Now if you have any questions with regards to the daily trade plan, expert advisor, or the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator, just get in contact with me. So now we can move on to the trades. First one I did was gold. Here is the arrow. I wanted to be selling and I sold all of them. Let's see where I got in at. Should have got in at a little bit better price, but this is where I saw it. It did another cycle, no big deal. I knew it was going to continue to go down, and it can still continue to go down more. So on gold, it pays $10, and looking at the total, this should be 20. The number should be 20. There it is right there, 20.2 actually. But anyhow, let's just go with 20 ticks, and 20 ticks times $10 times 10 lot paid out $2,020. Now what I love about the Easy Trader system and this Super Signal indicator right here, when everything lines up perfectly with the 4 indicators down at the bottom, you'll either get a sell signal or a buy signal, audio sound, pop-up box, and as you can clearly see, you're going to get plenty of trade alerts. Now obviously you don't take all of them, but what you got to do is line it up with the daily trade plan, and there's a very high percentage of success rate. Like for me, it's 95%. And the odd loser I get, I keep it very small. And it also pinpoints the beginning of the up and down cycles. Like this is the beginning right here of the down cycle. Okay, so silver is the next one we're going to look at. This one here, let's see where I got in at first of all. Same thing, broke the goal line. Did a bit of a pullback here, but I wasn't too worried about it. Now this one does pay $50 for each tick. Used a calculator and it worked out to be, looks like it's 9. It's going to be 9 ticks. And there it is there, 9 ticks times 50 times 10 lots paid out $4,500. Moving on to the next trade example, crude oil pays $10 on each one, and looking at the money, this should be 54 ticks. So I knew that it was going to work its way up to the goal line, hook around and drop because my daily trade plan said so. And what did I say? 54. There it is right there. 54 ticks times $10 times 10 lots paid out $5,400. Moving on to the next trade, Dow Jones. Now this one pays $5. I got the timing much better. As I teach within the training videos, I could have stayed in for a lot more just to let you know. But when I look at the total down here, and as long as I got 200 ticks or more, which I have a lot more than that, mainly because I got this DAX 30 in here, I just close out the trade and I'm done trading for the day. Calculator says it should be 166. And this is well over 400. And there's your 166 ticks times $5 times 10 lots paid out $8,300. Moving on to the next trade, the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Got in not a bad price right here. Could have made a lot more, 3 times more. This would have been over 30,000 here if I would have just stayed in the trade for more. And by the way, if you're the type of trader who wants to stay in for a lot more, I have a video called How to Stay in the Trade for More Pips or Ticks. What did I say? 51. So what could I have gotten? Well over 200. And so 50, that's 4 times more actually. That would have been over 40,000. So there it is there, 51. You remove the last 2 digits, so 51 times 20 times 10 lots paid out $10,340. Moving on to the next trade, the Russell. Now this one is $10 for each tick. Should be 125 ticks. And I could have made at least double that. I noticed that after some kind of a holiday, market was kind of not the best for trading yesterday. The day after, many times you'll have this result. Where the market will move a lot. What did I say? 125. And down there is 300 and something, so it's a lot more. 125, there it is there. You remove the last digit, and 125 ticks times $10 times 10 lots paid out $12,500. Moving on to the last trade. This one I certainly need a calculator. I took the money and divided it by $3.75, as that's what it pays for each tick. And I did sell it. Now it did decide, it could have just as easily went straight down. The way it went down here, it could have went down here. But it went up a little bit, hooked around, and I knew it was going to go down. How did I know that? Well, my daily trade plan expert advisor was telling me so. So here we go. What was that? 350, the calculator said. And I'm not going to get much closer than that for sure. 350. I cannot get it right on, but it is 350 ticks, and that paid out $13,125. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the ticks, and tick total turned out to be well over 500, as I knew it would be. It was 775 ticks, and those 775 ticks paid out $56,185. So if your system is not producing great results like my Easy Trader system, and remember, I couldn't do this not only with my system, but also the daily trade plan, which helps a lot. Well, I recommend that you get your hands on both of them. Now, if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. So here it is. On the right side is the Easy Trader system with the super signal indicator. And by the way, I charge $250 for each one of these. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now, I'm not going to read everything in here, but each one of these only has 3 videos for each of the 3 sessions. Now, the training videos, I go into much more greater detail within the MACD trader system. And by the way, I have a special going on. You know, you buy 2 and I give you the 3rd one for free. So it's an excellent special limited time offer. And the training videos, as I mentioned, are within the MACD trader system. This is what you really got to get your hands on, and it makes a complete a full package. So I'm not going to read everything here. You can put the video on pause. You know, I do teach a lot of different ways to trade, so that's why there's 22 training videos, about 30 minutes long each. And I threw in a lot of bonus material. And you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. And there's well over 3 gigabytes of training altogether. Now, after you're done reading all of this, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me if you have any questions. Here's my number. If you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on the link. And once we have Skype connection, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind to do all of that with no obligation to you. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be tomorrow as long as I don't have any distractions. And you know, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.